How to check Discord friend requests. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Discord. Click on You located at bottom right corner of your screen. Then, simply click on Your Friends. After you click on Your Friends, you will find all your friends here, also the friend request as well. You will find friend request in here. You can simply accept or decline from here. If you don't find it here, you can simply click on settings at the top right. Go back and click on settings at the top right. And then you'll find friend request. Simply click on friend request and you'll be able to see all your friend requests on Discord. This is how to check Discord friend requests. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.